What's up, tech heads? Remember the click, 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 the satisfying feeling of smashing out an email without ever looking at the screen? Yeah, I'm talking about BlackBerry. For a generation, this wasn't just a phone, it was a badge. It was a productivity machine. But in a world ruled by glass slabs, could the king of physical keyboards really make a comeback? Well, buckle up, because the rumors are true. The BlackBerry Curve 2 5G is here. But the million-dollar question remains, is this a sweet trip down memory lane, or a genuine contender in the hyper-competitive smartphone arena of 2025? That's what we're going to break down today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more throwback tech, and let's dive into the specs. Features of the BlackBerry Curve 2 5G. Design and display. First things first, the design. Pick this phone up, and you are instantly transported to the good old days. The iconic form factor is back. But don't let the nostalgia fool you. Look closer. This isn't your daddy's Bold. That physical keypad, the star of the show, is going to be a game changer for a specific kind of user. Now, let's talk display. You're getting a perfectly usable 4.75-inch HD Plus screen with a seriously modern touch, a 90Hz refresh rate. That means your scrolling, animations, and even light gaming are going to feel buttery smooth. It's the perfect blend, old school input, new school viewing experience. The camera setup. We're looking at a huge 100 megapixel dual rear camera setup. That's right, 100 megapixels. This phone is serious about photography. I was particularly impressed with its low light performance. Gone are the days of grainy BlackBerry photos. And for the selfie aficionados, you've got a sharp 12 megapixel front camera. Performance. Okay, let's get serious. A comeback phone needs a powerhouse engine, and BlackBerry did not hold back here. Under the hood, we're packing the flagship-level Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor running on a clean, modern Android 15. Lag, stuttering, forget about it. This phone is built for heavy multitasking and will chew through any graphic-intensive game you throw at it. Battery life. If there's one thing a BlackBerry was known for, it was endurance. And the Curve 2 5G delivers. The 4950 mAh battery is fantastic. For the typical business user, or anyone who just hates constantly searching for an outlet, this will easily give you all-day backup, and then some. Plus, yes, we finally have a modern Type-C charging socket. Price and launch date. This phone is expected to launch with a shocker price tag of around $340. That is incredibly aggressive for a device packing these specs. And you won't have to wait long. Look for the Curve 2 5G to hit the shelves by the end of this year. Alright, the moment of truth. Is the BlackBerry Curve 2 5G relevant in 2025? Here's the question I want you to answer in the comments right now. Are you ready to trade your touchscreen for the click-clack of the Curve 2 5G? Will this iconic keyboard find its niche again? Let me know your thoughts.